Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best food-safe storage containers are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any kitchen, playing a crucial role in preserving the freshness and quality of your food while ensuring your family's health and safety by preventing contamination from harmful chemicals or bacteria. Choosing the right ones can significantly impact your meal prep, reduce food waste, and ultimately save you money, making them a worthwhile investment for any home cook or busy individual looking to maintain a well-organized and hygienic kitchen environment. Number 5. Rubbermaid Brilliance 44-piece food storage set. Never worry about spills again. These containers are designed to keep your food secure and prevent any leaks, making transport mess-free. Made from BPA-free Tritan plastic, they offer exceptional clarity, allowing you to see your food easily. Plus, they resist stains and odors to stay looking new. Heating up your meals is a breeze. Simply leave the lid on and use the built-in steam vents for convenient microwave cooking. This comprehensive set provides ample storage for all your food needs. It's perfect for meal prepping, lunches, and storing leftovers. Enjoy the convenience of lightweight and portable containers. Their stackable design also helps you save space in your fridge or cabinets. What we like? Experience ultimate peace of mind with these containers, designed to be completely leak-proof and airtight. They are also made from BPA-free, crystal-clear Tritan plastic that resists stains and odors. If you are looking for a reliable solution for transporting meals without any mess, or want containers that stay looking new, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The sizes in the multipack were perfect for our household. They worked so well for leftovers foods and meal prep to freezer to microwave to dishwasher and back again. They are truly airtight and stay that way for the life of the piece. The lids are truly airtight and stay that way for the life of the piece. They stack well in my fridge, making me feel like a really organized person. They are dishwasher safe on the top rack, without any etching after multiple wash cycles. The seal is incredible, tight on its own when closed, but the clamps on the sides adds to keeping the container closed. They are all rectangular, therefore allowing for better storage in cabinets, drawers, refrigerator. Number 4. FineDine 24-piece glass storage containers with lids. Experience the durability and clarity of our premium Borosilicate glass food storage containers. They are perfect for everyday use and a popular choice for high-quality kitchenware. Keep your meals fresher for longer with our airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids ensure an airtight seal, maintaining flavor and freshness for your meal prep or leftovers. Simplify your cooking and reheating with our oven and microwave-safe glass containers. Their versatile design allows for easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven, perfect for busy lifestyles. Whether storing large meals or organizing your pantry, our stackable glass containers meet all your needs. Their efficient design maximizes space in your cabinets and fridge. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. Enjoy peace of mind with our leak-proof glass food storage containers. They are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after meal prep or storing leftovers. What we like? These containers offer superior durability and safety with their premium borosilicate glass construction. They are also microwave and oven safe, making meal prep and reheating incredibly convenient. If you prioritize long-lasting quality and seamless transitions from cooking to storage, these are the ideal containers for your kitchen. What people say. Spill-proof and durable. Glass is sturdy. Lids snap easily but keep container secure. The lids do not seem to retain smells from foods that it has been stored in them. I have had these since March 16th of 24 and not one of them has broken or cracked. Even when I accidentally dropped one or two. The hinge joint is solid and durable construction. Plastic lids don't crack or tear as other products do. The lids on these containers have plastic pins in them and they close like they're supposed to. I can reheat in these just fine and no microplastic worries. There's a good variety of sizes. Number 3. JoyJolt 24-piece borosilicate glass storage containers. Introducing our versatile glass food storage containers. They are perfect for prepping, storing, and stacking your meals. Made from durable, BPA-free glass, they can go from freezer to oven safely. This set includes 12 containers in various shapes and sizes to meet all your food storage needs. From rectangular to square and round, there's a perfect fit for every portion. Crafted from robust borosilicate glass, these containers are safe for your fridge, freezer, dishwasher, oven, and microwave. They are designed to handle busy lives with ease. Enjoy airtight freshness with our containers. Featuring a silicone seal and secure clips, they keep odors out and prevent leaks, making them ideal for soups and lunches. Transform your kitchen with these beautifully packaged glass containers. They arrive ready to elevate your meal prep and storage experience, backed by a 1-year warranty. What we like? Enjoy unparalleled versatility with this set, crafted from robust borosilicate glass that's safe for the freezer, oven, and microwave. They feature secure, airtight, and leak-proof lids, perfect for soups and sauces. If you need a wide range of sizes for all your meal prep and storage needs, and appreciate leak-proof confidence, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The glass is very sturdy and the seal is very tight and it's microwavable. The containers are high quality, easy to clean, and simple to store, with a great variety included. The lids are easy to close and open, love the glass and we easily see what is inside. Works great in the microwave. YY, dishwasher safe. Number 2. MCIRCO 10-pack glass meal prep containers. Introducing our 10-pack glass meal prep containers, perfect for planning and storing your meals. Save time by preparing and freezing your favorite dishes in advance. Crafted from premium borosilicate glass, these containers are exceptionally strong. They are designed to go from the refrigerator directly to the microwave, oven, or even the table. Our innovative snap lock lids feature silicone seals, ensuring your food stays fresher for longer. Enjoy leak-proof convenience with lids that are built to last. These containers are incredibly easy to use and maintain. The glass bases are safe for microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and oven use, offering ultimate convenience. Keep your kitchen organized with our stackable design. These containers help maximize space in your refrigerator, cabinets, and on countertops. What we like? These containers boast smart snap-locking lids with silicone seals, ensuring an airtight and leak-proof experience for your food. Made from strong borosilicate glass, they are safe for microwave, oven, and freezer use. If you're seeking a user-friendly, secure, and space-saving storage solution that keeps food fresh longer, these are a great pick. What people say. They are by far my favorite prep and storage containers. I much prefer the glass as it doesn't stain or retain odors, which helps when your middle schooler forgets multiple containers are collecting in the bottom of their locker. These are the perfect size for single-serve meals and work great in the microwave at lunchtime. Obviously the glass containers hold up well to almost anything, but I've been impressed with the lids as well. The lids have proven very durable to multiple uses and top-shelf cleaning in the dishwasher. When you place the strawberries you purchased into one of these containers, lined with paper towels, those strawberries will be fresh, mold-free, and delicious over 7 days since purchase. This not some clickbait joke. Number 1. RockBerry 50 PCS large food storage containers with lids. This set offers a variety of container sizes, perfect for storing different types of meals. You'll find large containers ideal for main courses and smaller ones for various entrees. These containers are designed to nest and stack efficiently. They help organize your pantry and kitchen cabinets, and fit neatly in your refrigerator and freezer. Enjoy peace of mind with our airtight containers featuring secure snap-lock lids. They are 100% leak-proof, making them perfect for storing and transporting food without spills. These containers are versatile for all your food storage needs. They are safe to use in the microwave, without the lid, freezer, and dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Crafted from durable plastic, these containers are built to last. You can use and reuse them with confidence, knowing they won't easily crack or break. We are here to help with any questions you may have about our food storage containers. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we'll respond promptly to your inquiries. What we like? This extensive set offers a large variety of container sizes, including generous large options perfect for main courses. Constructed from durable, BPA-free plastic with 4-side snap-lock lids, they are 100% leak-proof and reusable. If you need a high-volume, versatile, and budget-friendly storage solution for a busy household or extensive meal prepping, this set is an excellent value. What people say. It keeps the food airtight so it keeps it nice and fresh. The lid locks on well. It's good quality and easy to clean. I put them on the top rack of the dishwasher. Very well made, and the rubber seal around the lip is excellent, as is the locking lids. I have not had one leak a single drop when turned over or bounced around in my lunchbox. This 40-piece set of airtight containers is a game changer for kitchen organization. The containers seal tightly, keeping food fresh for longer and preventing spills in the pantry or fridge. They come in a variety of sizes, perfect for storing everything from leftovers to snacks to dry ingredients. The material feels durable and easy to clean, and the stackable design helps save space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.